In today's world, the battle between AI and humans is heating up. AI, or artificial intelligence, creates thumbnails every day. It's quick, precise, and never gets tired. AI churns out perfect designs in seconds. On the other side, humans design thumbnails with passion and creativity. Every design tells a story. Every thumbnail has a unique touch. AI thumbnails are efficient, but can they match the creativity and emotion of a human touch? This isn't just a tech versus creativity battle, it's about pushing boundaries. The showdown between AI and humans is ongoing. What do you think? Who will win? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to find out.